She is not posing for a portrait. She is a hunter at the end of a hunt. An elegant woman, turned in profile, reaching down to receive a small pale bird. This is a lady falconer, and this is the moment her quarry comes home. Look at how she is dressed. Not for the court, but for the field. A close brocade jacket worked in gold, a white sash knotted at the waist, and a jeweled turban crowned with a single feather. Every line of her is poised and certain, the stance of someone who has done this many times. Because falconry was no idle pastime. In the Mughal world, it was the sport of kings. The Emperor Akbar was devoted to it. His great manual, the Akbari, lists an entire imperial aviary: goshawks, peregrines, shaheens, sakers, and golden eagles. Hundreds of attendants cared for the birds, each hawk ranked, prized, and fed by exact rule. To fly a fine falcon was to display power itself. And here is how it ends. A young attendant reaches up, offering the prize the hawk has taken. A pale bird, caught in the air and carried home. In her own hand, she holds the falcon's trailing jesses, the fine straps that bind the bird to the falconer. This is the falconer's bond, a wild predator that returns again and again to the glove of the one who feeds it. And do not mistake her for a bystander. The women of the Mughal court hunted and hunted well. The empress Nur Jahan was famous for it, a markswoman who, the chronicles say, could drop a tiger from the back of an elephant. This painting belongs to that world, a noble woman, mistress of the hunt, as composed in the field as in the palace. Around her, the painter sets a garden in bloom, flowering stems and a small hare hidden in the leaves, a hint of the wild she commands. It is a portrait of grace and control in equal measure. For 4 centuries, folios like this lived in imperial albums, seen by almost no one. We restored this one from museum archives, and we offer it 2 ways: a framed print in black, natural or white, or an unframed fine art paper print with a free story of the painting card in every order. Free global shipping. It is part of the restored Mughal collection at Aurah Living. Find it at aurahliving.com. And if a story like this belongs on your wall, stay with us. There are more.